Okay guys, so something very interesting that I observed today. Here we have a pigeon feather, and so I'm just going to drop this feather like this, and as you might have observed many times before, it just spirals down when it falls. Now here we have a primary flight feather of a black kite. Now watch what happens when I let it go. It just goes straight forward for some reason. And the really cool thing about this is that this feather isn't even symmetrical. It's an asymmetrical object that flies relatively straight. So it's really something to think about.